All right, guys. So I wanted to make a little video here to help you find B if you know the period. So the skill you guys are working on today is determining the equation given the graph. So on a graph, you can easily figure out the period, okay, by looking at the starting point going two midlines away. But how do you get B when you know the period? Okay, that's the question. So I want to look at this equation. Period equals 2 pi divided by B. Okay, let's say, that equation will help us when we know B. But let's say we know the period and we're solving for B. So I want to rewrite this equation with B by itself. So my first step, if I wanted B by itself, right now it's 2 pi divided by B. I'm going to multiply by B on both sides. Okay, so on the left I have B times the period equals, now this denominator is gone, just 2 pi. Okay, and now if I want to solve for B by itself, I would divide by the period. Okay, and therefore, not only is the period equal to 2 pi over B, okay, but the other way, B, if you know the period, you can solve for B by doing 2 pi divided by the period. Okay, so the example I'll do is you look at your graph, the period equals 5 pi divided by 2. Okay, so B is going to equal 2 pi divided by my period. So in this example, that's 2 pi divided by 5 pi over 2. And we're going to use keep, change, flip. Okay, so keep the 2 pi. I'm actually going to write it as 2 pi over 1. Change division to multiplication. Flip 5 pi over 2 to 2 over 5 pi. Now multiply across the top, I get 4 pi. Across the bottom, 5 pi. The pi's cancel. And so, excuse me, not your period. If the period is 5 pi over 2, that means that B is 4/5. Hope this helps, guys.